Hi guys! If you want to buy the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro air fryer toaster oven at the best available price, make sure to check out the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. The kitchen is one of the busiest places in any home, and having the right appliance can completely change the way you cook every day. That's exactly where the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro comes in. At first glance, it looks like a premium countertop oven with a sleek stainless steel finish. But once you start using it, you'll quickly realize it's much more than an ordinary toaster oven. It's designed to replace several kitchen appliances while making every meal quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. One of the first things that stands out is the upgraded 100% Super Convection Technology. Instead of simply blowing hot air around the food, the advanced airflow system distributes heat evenly throughout the cooking chamber. This means your favorite meals cook faster while achieving a perfectly crispy exterior and a tender, juicy interior. Whether you're making golden French fries, crispy chicken wings, roasted vegetables, or homemade pizza, the cooking results are consistently impressive. Convenience is another area where this appliance really shines. With 100 built-in cooking presets, you don't have to spend time guessing the right temperature or cooking duration. Simply select the type of food you're preparing, and the oven automatically chooses optimized settings. This makes it ideal for beginners who want reliable results and experienced home cooks who appreciate speed and consistency. The spacious 30-quart interior gives you plenty of room for larger meals. Unlike compact air fryers that often require multiple cooking batches, this oven allows you to roast a whole chicken, bake several trays of cookies, toast multiple slices of bread, or prepare complete family dinners with ease. That extra capacity becomes incredibly valuable during holidays, family gatherings, or busy weeknights when everyone is hungry. Another impressive feature is its multi-layer cooking capability. Thanks to the balanced airflow system, heat reaches every cooking rack more evenly than many traditional countertop ovens. You can cook different foods simultaneously without worrying about uneven browning or constantly rotating trays. That means less effort and more perfectly cooked meals. The adjustable temperature range from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit adds even more flexibility. Lower temperatures are perfect for dehydrating fruit, proofing bread dough, or gently warming meals, while the higher settings handle roasting, broiling, baking artisan-style pizza, and creating beautifully caramelized meats with ease. The Smart Probe is another premium feature that takes the guesswork out of cooking. Simply insert the probe into your meat, set your preferred internal temperature, and let the oven monitor the cooking process automatically. Once your food reaches the target temperature, the system helps prevent overcooking, making it much easier to achieve juicy chicken, perfectly cooked steak, and tender roasts every time. Health-conscious families will also appreciate the PFAS-free cooking design. As more people look for safer cookware and appliances, this thoughtful feature provides extra confidence during everyday meal preparation without sacrificing performance. In real-world cooking, the Bravo XL Pro performs exceptionally well. Frozen foods become crisp and golden. Baked goods cook evenly, vegetables roast beautifully, and meats remain juicy while developing rich flavor. The powerful convection system not only improves texture but also reduces overall cooking time, making dinner preparation faster and more efficient. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. The removable crumb tray, air fry basket, and cooking racks are easy to take out and wash, helping keep the oven looking clean even after frequent use. While the generous size does require more countertop space than smaller air fryers, the versatility more than makes up for it by replacing several separate appliances. Overall, the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro air fryer toaster oven delivers outstanding cooking performance, remarkable versatility, and premium features that justify its reputation. If you're looking for one appliance that can air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, and reheat while producing consistently delicious results, this is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. And if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check out the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.